Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make chutney. Obviously you can use this recipe for samosas, pakoras, chapli kabob and all sorts of other snacks. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so we have got 15 to 20 fresh green chilies, 15-20 garlic bulbs, 4 big spoons of yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 chopped tomato, 1 bunch of fresh coriander leaf, 1 glass of water, 2 lime juice. So basically we put all of them in a blender and we mix them. Obviously I'm just doing these in some type of order because I just want everything to mix together. Put in some coriander in and then I'm just gonna shake the blender so that it comes in the blade and it gets everything. So as you can see, I'm putting the lime, 1 lime, and then I'm gonna put 1 later on as well. So I've put just over half of the coriander leaves, and then I'm gonna mix it, blend it, then I'm gonna put the water, then keep mixing it, and that will get our chutney ready. Just follow what I'm doing and you'll get set, and then that will be it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.